The load of Careclave can be documented with Milatrace Pro for maximum transparency. The open Careclave on the start screen symbolises that the device is ready to be loaded. Please click on the device icon to start with the load process. The chamber concept ensures highest flexibility. Careclave can be loaded either with dental hollow body instruments in the carebox, with instruments in trays or in sterile containers, or, as in our example, with instruments in the carebox and sterilisation chamber at the same time. To do so, please select the desired load element on the left side. The coloured dot in front of the instrument shows you the predefined assignment to the carebox blue or green. By using the upper button section, you can add instruments to the carebox or remove it. You can adjust the number by using the text field or the plus and minus keys. In addition to individual load elements, you can also choose from predefined standard batches or sterile containers for a time-saving load definition. The small triangle in front of the standard batch opens the load composition. Please use the Add button to load the sterilisation chamber with instruments. You can add new load elements in the Miscellaneous tab. For this purpose, please enter the name of the instrument and, optionally, a batch designation in the text fields. Please use the plus symbol to add the element to the desired Careclave load. After you've confirmed your entries with the Completed button, you can start an appropriate reprocessing and lubrication program at Careclave.